What if I told you that the future of electric cars, reusable rockets, and even human life on Mars was built by one man who once had no money, no comfort, and no guarantee of success? This is not just Elon Musk's story. This is a lesson about focus, sacrifice, and thinking beyond fear. A different kind of mind. Elon Musk was never normal. As a child, he spent hours alone, reading books, thinking deeply, asking questions nobody around him cared about. He was bullied badly, hospitalized, mentally isolated. But instead of becoming angry, he became obsessed with learning. He didn't just read for fun. He read to understand how everything works. That habit never left him. Extreme focus and sacrifice. When Elon Musk started his companies, his life became extremely simple. No luxury, no balance, only work. He slept on office floors, worked 80 to 100 hours a week, sometimes forgetting to eat. While others were enjoying life, Elon was studying engineering, physics, and business problems at the same time. He focused on first principles, breaking problems down to their core. Instead of asking, "Is this possible?" he asked, "What must be true for this to work?" Failure after failure. SpaceX failed, again and again and again. Each rocket explosion cost millions. People laughed. Experts said it was impossible. Tesla was burning cash. Employees were quitting. Investors lost faith. By 2008, Elon Musk had almost nothing left. He had to choose. Save one company or risk everything. He chose to risk everything. How he actually did it. Elon didn't win by motivation alone. He worked on details others avoided. He personally reviewed designs, fixed engineering problems, challenged experts. When something failed, he didn't complain. He asked, "What went wrong? How can we improve it? What did we learn?" This process, fail, learn, improve, repeat, became his weapon. The turning point. One final SpaceX launch. If it failed, everything would end. The rocket succeeded. NASA trusted SpaceX. Tesla survived. History changed. Ending. What can you learn? Elon Musk teaches us something powerful. Success is not about talent. It is about obsession with improvement. It is about staying focused when others quit. It is about choosing long-term vision over short-term comfort. Now tell me in the comments, what lesson do you learn from Elon Musk's life? Do you believe extreme focus is worth the sacrifice? I read every comment.